Alright, this is Kidani Village, room 7831, resort, studio. We have our kitchenette with the refrigerator, coffee maker. We have our toaster and microwave, ice and bounty, some plastic utensils and forks. We have the restroom with a sink, the tub, and the toilet. We have our closet where we have the ironing board and the iron, the safe, and the extra pillow and blanket. We have this other closet where you have your hangers and stuff, the luggage rack, dresser, TV, table with 2 chairs, lamp, mirror, pull-out sofa bed with some tables. And we have the main queen-size bed. And then out we have the balcony. This one is overlooking the pool area. And that's the room at Kidani Village, Deluxe Studio, 7831.